Welcome back to the channel, classic car lovers. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back to the golden era of American motoring, the post-war boom of the 1950s, with a spotlight on the iconic 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe. With its streamlined styling, chrome-laden exterior, and smooth V8 power, this beauty wasn't just transportation, it was a symbol of optimism and style. So buckle up as we break down everything from its stunning exterior to its smooth performance. Exterior. The 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe was a head-turner in its day and still commands attention today. It carried forward the streamlined, shoebox design introduced in 1949, where the fenders were finally integrated into the body for a cleaner, more modern silhouette. At the front, you get that bold bullet-nose grille, unmistakably Ford, flanked by large round headlights and chrome trim that stretches wide across the face. The hood ornament, a graceful chrome bird, adds a touch of class. Along the sides, the Custom Deluxe features tasteful chrome striping and smooth, rounded contours that give it a fluid, timeless look. Wide whitewall tires and full chrome hubcaps scream 1950s cool. The rear is just as stylish, with neatly sculpted fenders, small round taillights, and a modest chrome bumper. Two-door or four-door sedan, convertible, or station wagon, every body style had charm to spare. You could get it in colors like sea mist green, black, Hawaiian bronze, and even carnival red, adding to its showroom appeal. Interior. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a cabin that reflects mid-century American comfort and simplicity. The 1950 Custom Deluxe offered a significant upgrade from the base model, especially when it came to materials and details. The bench seats were wide and plush, upholstered in vinyl and cloth combinations, with tasteful stitching and elegant trim. The dashboard was beautifully symmetrical, featuring a large center speedometer, chrome knobs, and that iconic Ford crest emblem. The steering wheel was large and thin-rimmed, complete with a chrome horn ring, another design cue that screams vintage luxury. For its time, the Custom Deluxe was well equipped, offering options like a clock, AM radio, cigarette lighter, heater, and even turn signals, which weren't standard on all cars back then. Visibility was excellent thanks to the large wraparound windshield and rear window, and the doors closed with a satisfying thunk that spoke to solid American craftsmanship. Performance. Under the hood, the 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe came with two engine choices. The base engine was a 226 cubic inch 3.7L inline-six, producing about 95 horsepower. But the real gem was the optional 239 cubic inch 3.9L flathead V8, pushing out 100 horsepower, a big deal back in the day. Mated to a 3-speed manual transmission with optional overdrive, this car could cruise comfortably on highways and still offer decent acceleration for city driving. Top speed was around 80 to 85 miles per hour, with 0 to 60 times in the 17-second range, not bad for 1950. The ride was smooth thanks to coil spring front suspension and leaf springs in the rear, and handling was predictable, though not sporty. Braking was handled by four-wheel drum brakes, which were standard for the time. It wasn't built to race, but the Custom Deluxe delivered a quiet, confident ride that made it ideal for families, commuters, and road trippers alike. The 1950 Ford Custom Deluxe captured the spirit of its era, stylish, comfortable, and affordable for the average American family. With its streamlined looks, chrome-rich detailing, and the legendary flathead V8, it helped Ford regain its footing after World War II and set the tone for the rest of the decade. Today, it's a favorite among collectors and hot rodders, with original models and tastefully modified versions showing up at classic car meets across the country. Whether you're drawn to its nostalgic design or its smooth performance, the 1950 Custom Deluxe is a rolling time capsule that reminds us just how cool post-war America could be. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this look at a true American classic, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more vintage car content, and drop a comment with your favorite classic Ford. Until next time, keep those engines running and those memories alive.